Display an image with Python. I tried to use ipython.display with the following code. I also tried to use matplotlib with the following code. In both cases, nothing is displayed, not even an error message.
If you are using matplotlib and want to show the image in your interactive notebook, try the following.
In a much simpler way, you can do the same using
If you use matplotlib, you need to show the image using plt.show unless you are not in interactive mode. For example,
your first suggestion works for me.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.